Alright, we have here a Asus. And this one here from another tech. So all they did is replace the battery. Simple job. And it wouldn't turn on. Lights come on and nothing else apparently. So it just came in the mail in a little bit shitty condition, but it came regardless. These tough times for the courier companies. So let's see. Onboard RAM. So what can go wrong installing a battery? Can't be that difficult, can it? Okay, let's see. Well, okay, this is fucked up. Okay. Oh, I know this model. This is the one where top panel is supposed to come off, I think. There's a bit of a fuck up here. 1 second. Yeah, this is shit. Okay. Okay. So why is this battery here? Oh, that's for the other one, okay. There's another Asus we're working on because this one has a different battery. So, what's happened? Maybe nothing happened. Let's see. Okay, so charging port is there. Before we connect the charger, let's just have a look at the voltages around the battery. Is the battery alive? That's the screen connector. We should have battery power. So tiny I can't see. Does the power button have 3 volts? No. Battery is not working at the moment. Any clock or anything like that? No. So this battery is currently dead, or it's not being charged, or it's not being activated. Okay. Remove the battery. Okay, so that's the battery from this guy. Let's connect the charger now. Before that, let's just check if there is a short in the power rail. Okay. No, no short. Okay, that's good, that's good. And what's the resistance of the main power rail? That's also good. And the 3-volt rail, LDO, that's ground. That's ground. So that's fine, okay. So let's go ahead and connect our benchtop power supply. Okay. Power is currently on. Asus tip. Wow, the screen just flickered. That was damn quick. That was the weirdest thing I've seen. Wow. What the hell is happening there? So why has this cable been played around with? You're not supposed to be able to see all that quickly. Let's not connect it. .85 milliamps immediately. So just connected a USB LED. This is a very, very strange problem. What could have gone wrong? We are in, what are we, voltage mode and resistance mode, okay. Let's check the battery, the data lines. So these are ground, that is. Okay, this is a very strange motherboard. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, that's not good, is it? Something's getting warm. That's so strange. Let's have a look. Okay, so let's check some resistance readings quickly. Wow, that is low. That is bad. That is very bad. That's a dead short. Without going further, let me see if I got schematics or anything for this board, and we'll find out what volt that goes there, I'm sure. Let's find out. So this is X555UJ. 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 Anything on the U? Oh, here we go. Great. Is that a version 2? Yeah. Okay, here we go. So we're looking at here, this guy here. Oh fuck, yeah, no. Not good. 1 volt sus line. Yeah, I don't have bad news. I don't have good news for you, mate. This is a no-go. No-go, amigos. Okay. That's why he was getting hot. Makes sense. So if you look at the voltage, here, plug it in. And what voltage do we see coming out of that coil? But that's where all the amps are currently going. Yeah. So the battery they've used, unfortunately, was a bad battery, or they mixed up the orientation. Yeah, so I'm not going to bother disassembling, but having a look at it on the thermal camera, it will clearly show that area getting hot. I'm looking at the bottom of the board. Not ready yet? Okay. Okay, here we are. I'm going to plug in the power. I can watch there too. Power is in. And there we go. Oh, it's getting higher and higher. And on this side, plug the power in. so those two MOSFETs there. Let's cross fingers that the short is on that side, yeah? Let's see. We'll do it under the thermal camera. Okay, let me see the probes where the short is. Resistance mode. To the CPU side. Fuck. The MOSFET side. It's good. Okay. CPU side. Gone. Alright, that's the end for this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Wrong one.